You don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great.
I'm at 6:30.
Wait, what are we? You and me are in the same section or no? I don't know if it's section 3. I'm 3.
It's like a new stepping stone in our career to be able to share the room with so many titans that stitch the neurofiber network of what biohacking and optimization truly mean.
Just accessing the practitioners on this documentary alone, these people will change your lives.
Biohacking means a lot of things, right? I mean, even from emotional work, but you see it all at these events, right?
This is kind of like the genesis moment where we see this new progression in healthcare, right? Where people take ownership of their health, and luckily we can depend on guys like you to teach us and bring more healing to more people. So we just wanted to thank you, man, and honor you.
Look, it's an honor. Honestly, it's an honor to be here. I mean, there's giants in the room.
Oh, I love the view.
Biohacking, if you really look at what the best modalities are doing and what really the best supplements are doing and what the best treatments are doing, they're getting us back to the basics, right? Because we've gotten so far detached from each other. We've gotten so far detached from Mother Nature. You know, you think about the last time you had bare feet touching bare soil, like dirt, grass, or sand.
It's crazy to come to places like this with no protection, because light is like information, and just like information we allow into our brains could either empower us or dumb us down. Also, light is information that could either empower us or make us sick.
It's been constantly evolving with the translation or transition of light.
Absolutely.
You're following the circadian of light, right?
Absolutely.
And that affects the whole circuitry, the whole nervous system. And that's why they're harmonizing glasses. That's why I loved it. I learned that term from you, by the way.
Absolutely. It's the main force that is synchronizing us with nature.
Hey, beautiful people, we're here in Las Vegas, Nevada with the one and only Dr. Nathan Bryan and Susan.
And Susan,
my
babe.
God, this is one of my
Power to the punch.
favorite dudes in the world.
Well, I can tell you, I'm a product of the Medical Health Institute.
Oh,
thank you, guys. Thank you.
Chaka-laka, baby. That's it. Oh.
I am a patient and client of the Medical Health Institute. I'm a product of their product. But nitric oxide is foundational for me, for them, for biohacking in general.
We just wanted to say we love you and we honor you and congratulate you and just to honor your work, man. Thank you so much for your contribution.
Thank you. Thank you. And you know what? This is true of us, but it's also true of you. We are just getting started.
God bless us. Greatest group.
Yeah, man. So
These guys are so cool. They're not doctors, but they know more about neuroendocrinology and how to deal with head trauma than most physicians.
grateful to call myself your friend, man.
Yeah.
Well, man, first off, I love both of you guys. Ever since Miguel and I met, what was that, dude, in 2016?
Yeah,
At
2016.
AMMG. I was down in Miami. He was sitting next to me. He was like, oh my God.
It's Campbell!
So I receive everything you guys are saying and I reflect it back, and I just look forward to the future because you're right, man. It was not easy. There were a lot of arrows being slung in the beginning.
And they continue.
And they're continuing even more now, but obviously, as you know,
But the force has gotten stronger.
exactly,
powerful.
as
A unit,
100%.
we're all pieces, like parts of ATP molecules,
Right.
all binding together,
And
fighting,
defend each other.
to grow it as a movement.
Hey guys, we're coming here from the Biohacking Conference in Vegas, and we're here with Shaolin, the inventor and creator of Kaisertrex, which is a new oral form of testosterone, which doesn't shut down your own production, and we believe that it's going to revolutionize the TRT industry. Shaolin, how are you, man?
Pretty good. Great to be here. So excited.
Awesome. How do you feel?
Feel good. I think Kaisertrex is its coming out party.
It's an amazing breakthrough for especially younger men. You know, Dr. Rudy has been talking for years about...
Right there.
Has been talking for years.
Cut.
You were the first to bring the biohacking term, and the amount of work that you've done in the last 30 years, man. I mean, it is nothing but honor, man, and congratulations, and we just wanted to give you this time. And how do you feel about it now that you kind of coined the term and look where we are right now?
Nothing but gratitude.
I didn't trademark biohacking because I wanted it to be a global movement.
Yeah.
It's for humans, not for one of my companies or something. And the reason this is all here is because I didn't try to be grasping. It was about sharing and changing the way we think about longevity and consciousness.
We need to empower our patients. They need to take ownership of their own health and how easy it is. Your technology is such an easy step into wellness, right? You just go into the red light and then you feel great. Then you can upgrade from there. So we really appreciate what you're doing.
Once again, man, I want to honor you. I want to congratulate you, and I can't wait to continue to collaborate and heal people with you, man.
Yeah, we are. We're going to heal the world together.
Hey guys, so we're here at the Biohacking Conference, and we have the great pleasure of being with Peter, who's the founder of the Micro Impact Plate, which is a technology that is the vitamin for your bones. Maybe you can explain it better than me.
Absolutely. Well, you know, it's so interesting with Juvent because we get to work with clinics and people who are cutting edge and care about the future and bringing the future to their patients. And these guys are absolutely fit the bill perfectly. What we do at Juvent is we supply the body with a VitaKin.
Right.
It's a vital kinetic.
It's a new form of vitamin.
Absolutely. And you know, a biohack is great, but we're addressing what we call a biolack.
Yeah.
It's one of these things we're missing. And when you add that to a clinical practice, you can change patients' lives so quickly. And you know the way I look at it, guys, if you're trying to be healthy without proper bone, good luck.
So now it's come time
For the
to
one
spend
and
a little bit
only.
of time with the genius
The
mind
king.
that put this
Anthony
together,
Lawley.
Anthony Lawley. Man, first of all, Anthony, I just, you know, for a minute there, I kind of doubted it. I didn't think you could put this together, and boy, did you blow this up.
By the way,
So
I never doubted you.
you've brought together the coolest minds in the biohacking and longevity industry, and you've kind of fostered this energy around it where it's like this is almost like the genesis of a great movement that is going to change the healthcare system as we know it, and you were at the center of this.
Thank you so much. I mean, really, to be honest with you, it's thanks to guys like you. You guys, all of you guys collectively have played a major role in our lives, and we're thankful and grateful to celebrate you guys here tonight.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. We love you, man, and we can't wait to continue to collaborate with you, man.
Thank you so much, guys.
Look at this gear.
So fucking big.
Oh my
I mean,
God.
get this outfit, baby. Look at this outfit. Please, show this out.